Hi, I'm Madhumita from first MSc Physics. I'm going to take video teach on topic quantum mechanics. Einstein derivations of radiation law through A and B coefficients. Stimulated absorption. The atom in a lower energy gets an energy from Indian photo E is equal to R. Um, R moves to the higher energy level. Spontaneous emission. The atom in higher energy spontaneous goes to the lower energy without applying the external focus. This two diagram shows the difference between stimulated absorption, spontaneous emission. Stimulated emission. The atom in higher energy gets an energy from instant photon and emitted to photon or likes a chain reaction. Consider N1 and N2 are the number of atoms in the E1 and E2. Introduce Maxwell-Boltzmann law. N1 N2 is equal to E1 E2. N is equal to N naught E power E minus E by kt. N1 is equal to N naught E power E minus E by kt. N2 is equal to N naught E power E2 by kt. This equation is second equation. Equation 1 divided by 2, n1 by n2 is equal to n naught e power minus e1 by kt by n naught e power e2 by kt. n1 by n2 is equal to e power e1 by kt by e power e2 by kt is equal to e2 minus e1 by kt. This equation is third equation. n1 by n2 is equal to e power h by kt. Equation 4. Process 1 stimulated absorption NAB directly proportional to N1Q. NAB is equal to B12 N1Q. Fifth equation. Process 2 spontaneous emission. NSP is directly proportional to N2. NSP is equal to N21 N2. Equation 6. Process 3 stimulated emission. NST is directly proportional to N2Q. NST is equal to B21 N1Q. Seventh equation. A21 B12 B21 Einstein coefficients. Equilibrium condition, upward transition, downward transition. NSP plus NST is equal to NAB. N21 A21 N1 plus B21 N2Q is equal to B12 N1Q. Eighth equation. B12 NQ minus B21 N2Q is equal to N21 N2. Q is equal to A21 N2 by B12 N1 minus B21 N2. Equation 9. Equation 9 divided by B21 N2. Q is equal to A21 N2 by B21 N2 by B21 N1 by B21 N2 minus B21 N2 by B21 N2. Q is equal to A21 by B21 1 by B12 by B21 N1 by N2 minus 1. Equation 10. Q is equal to A21 by B21 1 by B12 by B21 e power h rho by kt minus 1. Planck's radiation law. Q is equal to 8 pi by rho cube by c cube 1 by e power h rho by kt minus 1. Equation 12. Compare 11 and 12. B12 by B21 is equal to 1, b12 is equal to b21 is equal to 13, b21 by b21 is equal to a8 by h rho cube by c cube, equation 14. Conclusion: stimulated absorption is equal to stimulated emission. The radiation of spontaneous stimulated emission is directly proportional to the frequency of photon. Wave packet, Gaussian wave packet, spread of wave packet with time. A wave packet is a group of wave with slightly different wavelength interfering with one another in a way that the amplitude of group enveloped is non-zero only in the neighborhood of the particle. The wave packet is localized a good a particle. The spread of wave packet in wavelength depends on the required degree of localized in space is minus the critical wavelength is given by lambda by p by h. The Gaussian is called wave packet because of the Fourier transformation. It is a packet of wave with frequencies, wave numbers clustered around a single value kc. Kc is a carrier. One of the most important application of wave packet is communication. As time passes, the wave function spreads out. This spreading indicates a wider range of position is probable as the electron moves. A free particle within a Gaussian wave function is the continuous superposition of momentum and energy eigenstate. Thank you.